Okay, we're writing the equation of a line given the slope and a point on the line. And I'm here with and Daniel, and we're going to talk about this. Um, if you had a really accurate graph, one that you did with a computer, and you had that point and that slope, you could then zoom in on the graph until you could determine exactly where the y-intercept is. But because my graph is kind of poopy, if I can say that, what I'm going to have to do is find what the y-intercept is algebraically. So I'm going to go y equals mx plus b, and because I know the slope is 6, I can fill that in. And because in the equation I'm looking for, this x and this y will work in along with this b to make the equation true, I can sub these in as if they're a x1 and a y1. So I'm going to plug in 1 here for x and 2 there for y, and then I will get 6 plus b equals 2 minus 6 minus 6, and that makes a negative 4 is b. So my equation is y equals 6x minus 4. So supposedly, if I had graphed this right, it would have gone through the y-axis at negative 4. And actually, we can prove that, because if the slope is 6, that's up 6 over 1, or down 6, back 1. So if I had gone down 6, let me go down 6 and use a red pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back 1 would have taken me to that point. So that point should have been on the line. It's just my graph was, like I said, um, not that hot. Poopy. Yes. Thanks, Danny. But that's how you go about doing it. So if you plug in your point along with your slope into y equals mx plus b and solve for b, you can get it. As a shortcut, you can also do b is equal to y1 minus mx1. It's the same equation, but I've moved the mx to the other side. The other thing is, if when you're doing one of these, what if the slope were a fraction? How would you do that then? Let's suppose the point was 4 comma 3 and the slope was 2/5. So I plug these in, and I won't use this one. I'll go with the original, y equals mx plus b. And I plug in my x and my y, 3, and my slope, 2/5, 4 plus b. So that becomes 3 is equal to 8/5 plus b. If you don't like the fraction, what do, guys? Multiply by 5. So I'm going to use 5 here, 5 there, and a 5 with my b to get rid of the fifths. So I get, that becomes 15 equals 8 plus 5b. And when you minus 8, you get 7 equals 5b. So b in this case would be the fraction 7 over 5. So my final equation using this information would be y equals what? 2/5 x plus 7/5, and that's how it's done. All right. Say adios. And he's Mexican, by the way. Okay.